Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have another makeup first impressions and review video for you. I'm kind of excited about this one. I don't know why, but it is the MAC new Powder Kiss lipsticks and eyeshadow. Now I am lipstick obsessed. I have a huge collection and I'm very adventurous when it comes to lipsticks. I like bold colors, I like neutrals, I like a nude lip, I like a burgundy lip. So when I got sent this PR package, I was super excited. So in here I have 5 of their new lip shades in the Powder Kiss lip collection, all different, and I'm living for these right now, so I'm so excited to swatch these. And then I have the 5 Powder Kiss shades to test out for you. These 3 here are a lot more neutral based, and then I've got 2 here like a very lovely dark brown and a pink. But don't be afraid of like this bright pink color, because they do say that this is just a soft blur of color. You're not going to get that intense hit. That's how I interpreted it. So along with that PR package, I actually found this other PR package that was kindly sent to me from MAC. They are now stocked in Boots, which I think is just such a great idea. Boots is like my local drugstore that I go basically for everything. So now I can go and pick up my favorite MAC products and get my beauty points as well. Now I have the press release here. So it says it comes in 17 new liquid lip shades and 10 eyeshadow shades. And these are the latest addition to the MAC Powder Kiss range. I guess why don't we get started with the eyeshadows. I'll quickly run through here. It says enwrap eyes with pillow soft matte color using soft focus filter technology that delivers a beautifully diffused blurring effect. So I'm super excited to try that. The highly blendable luxurious formula smooths onto lids. Its exclusive cream matrix formula allows for an ultra creamy, exceptional soft and gliding texture. When I was looking at some of the imagery, it did kind of remind me of Korean beauty and that whole K-beauty trend of just very soft, delicate makeup that you see a lot of Asian girls wearing. That it's just so beautifully done, and it looks like they've just spent hours blending. But hopefully I'll be able to achieve that look, as this does have a soft focus technology in here. Okay, let's get stuck in. I'm gonna just zoom you guys in just a little bit closer. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna try and see if I can use all these shades that I have. So the first eyeshadow shade here is called Best of Me, and it's a very neutral color. So I'm gonna put this all over the base of my eye. So yeah, this looks like it's gonna be a great base shade, and it glides on really easy. See there? I think now that we're coming into autumn winter, it's great to go for kind of more matte shades. You know, we have windy days, and sometimes when you have a bit of sparkle or shimmer in products, I don't know, they just tend to go everywhere. So this will make for, there we go. That's just kind of like my skin but better. It actually looks very nice. Love that. And just putting my fingers in it, the textures do feel very powdery, super soft, like yeah, I guess like velvet or satin. It's just very smooth to the touch. They feel absolutely amazing. And then I'm gonna take this shade here. It's a beautiful kind of peachy shade, and this is called Strike Pose. Just gonna get another brush, and I'm gonna use this in the crease of my eyes. That actually looks so lovely. The delivery of these, like I said, are very soft, Okay, so these are the eyes. I tried to do as much as I can. I think the only shade I didn't use was this shade called What the Clout, and it's a very like sandy brown. It's very much like my skin color actually, so I could have went for either of these as a base shade. Use this as a eyeliner, and actually when you use it wet, it's really lovely. It gives that soft eyeline look. Sometimes I don't like a harsh line. I like it when it looks very smudged and very natural, and then you can also like blend it out even more if you wanted to. And I guess that's like one of the benefits of this, is that because they are a powder, you can really smudge it out for a more effortless look. Now it does say that these are long wearing as well, so hopefully these are not going to crease or smudge that much. I want this look to kind of last me as long as I do, so I will be coming back and telling you guys how it's worn and my thoughts there, but so far so good. Now onto the lip colors. I'm super excited for this because again it has that long lasting formula. I will just talk you through quickly the lip colors. So it's a special blend of powders, emollient properties to provide excellent cushion, flexibility, wear and moisture that leaves the lips looking and feeling soft and smooth all day. Features an hourglass shaped applicator that perfectly hugs the lips to fill in lines, enhances your lips, smooths and blurs. Let's give this a go. The first shade that I have here is Model Off Duty, and yeah, it's kind of like that mauvey pink, and this has a more frosted packaging. It's very soft and smooth. If you compare it to maybe another of their retro mattes, where this is like very more glossy, you can see here it's more frosted packaging. And the applicator as well, you can see that kind of hourglass shape, which I actually prefer because you can go in any direction on your lips. They smell really good as well. They actually smell super sweet and edible. It's really nice. So I've actually got nothing on my lips, no lip liner. So this is going to be my lip liner and my lipstick. So Model Off Duty. This actually feels super soft on my lips. Feels like I'm not really wearing anything at all. It's not sticky. It glided on beautifully. It went on as if like a lip liner really well. It didn't really sink into the edges of my lips or any lines as well. I've got just like a few here, and I've got like a little scar as well, and it's kind of like just glided over it so beautifully. I really like this shade. I don't know if it's too much with the pink eyeshadow, but definitely I'm going to be using this with different look. That is Model Off Duty. So Crossfire is definitely more of a red brick nude. I wouldn't say it's as strong as a red brick, but it has that undertone. It just looks so beautifully on, and it is got that powder soft kiss effect. I really do love this. I think this is going to be kind of like my everyday go-to lip shade because I feel like it will just go with so much. It complements my olive skin tone. It's a very autumn shade. It's a very autumn shade. So this beautiful shade of red, I feel like is my new iconic red shade. I cannot begin to tell you how hard it is to find a red lip that complements my skin tone. I know a lot of people with olive to medium skin tones go for a more orange red, but now that it's come to autumn and coming up to Christmas, I really want a lovely deep red that isn't going to wash me out, is not going to make me look like Morticia Adams, but it's just got that vibrancy to it. This must have a kind of blue undertone to it because it's just, it's like it's popped. It's amazing. I also have to add, now this is a long wear liquid lipstick and it is not clung onto my teeth at all. Something which I'm always having to check my teeth or make sure I don't go too far into my lips, if that makes sense. So I always find I have like a ring, an inner ring that looks really ridiculous, but now you can see my whole lip is covered and there's nothing on my lips at all. There's no yeah, it's great. And you know what, another thing I love about a good red lipstick, it makes your teeth look whiter and brighter. So that's a great little hack. Now, Devoted to Chili definitely has that red undertone to it, and it definitely has a burn brick tone to it. It's very autumnal. I absolutely love it. I do feel like on camera it looks more red than it actually is, and in my mirror here I can see that it's a little bit more muted and more of a rustic kind of terracotta brown. It's absolutely beautiful. I really do love this colour and will enjoy wearing this during the autumn. Now this is a very vampy colour. I'm gonna love wearing this in the winter time. Actually looks more pink on camera, but actually now when I see it in my mirror it's more purple, more rich, more plum-like. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now I have to say I've just swatched all 5 of these lip colours and none of them feel drying on my lips. My lips doesn't feel stripped. It doesn't feel sore. They are super nourishing, and even just taking them off is a breeze. It's so easy. So if you really want to switch up your look from day to night, then you definitely can. It's going to be super easy. So guys, that is all of the 5 lip colours that I have and the 5 eyeshadow colours that I have. What can I say? They're absolutely gorgeous to put, and the formulas are something else. It's something that I don't really have in my collection. I think I do have, maybe, actually no, scrap that. I have 2 of this kind of similar formula, but those are brands from Korea and it's really difficult to buy them. I get them from America or I get them from QVC, but these are just so much easier, and there's a wide range of colors to choose from as well. And just so guys, it has been some time and stupidly I touched up my lipstick because I had like a little bit of a ring because I had a coffee, I've had lunch, I've been out, you could see like the color of the day, and I wanted to just give you a little bit of an update on how the colors have gone. The lips feel so comfortable and I've only really need to touch it up just the tiniest bit. I really kicking myself the fact that I did it. It's just like I'm on autopilot. So yeah, and then my eyes, they haven't creased at all. You know, sometimes with eyeshadows you get like a line or it's faded, and you can see there that it still looks very much pristine and like I've just applied it. So yeah, this has definitely got my seal of approval. Not that it needs it because it's MAC at the end of the day, but I just wanted to give you guys my honest thoughts. So that's the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to see more of me, then come over to Instagram, where I post a lot more of my everyday life. Please subscribe if you're new and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.